Sensitive information about your child could be going public.
KCOY 12's Dave Alley is live in Santa Maria to tell us about a new court ruling and what parents can do to protect their children's privacy. Dave?
Scott, Melissa, many parents across California, they're probably not aware that valuable personal information regarding their children will soon be handled by a stranger without their consent. It's all part of an ongoing lawsuit that originated in Morgan Hill 4 years ago.
I can't believe it. I don't know how they think it's okay to release student information.
Ashley Hillier of Napomo is upset and frustrated.
I had no idea. I had no idea this was going on. I had no idea that it was even going to be released.
The mother of two is concerned about a recent decision made by a judge handling a lawsuit filed by two student advocacy groups.
The lawsuit is against the state of California regarding the special education of these students and whether or not they've received an appropriate education.
The plaintiffs asked for access to student information statewide, which they could use in their case. The U.S. District Judge granted permission.
That information could include but not exclusively, names, addresses, IEPs, assessment data, Social Security numbers.
The controversial decision affects 10 million students, anyone who attended public school in California from 2008 to now.
You have no idea what's going to happen with all this information. Is there anything that's safe and secure nowadays? I mean, but just handing this to strangers is, I think it's ridiculous.
For parents who object to the release of their children's information, there are two ways for them to submit documentation to the court, allowing them to opt out.
There's a form that they can fill out, or they can send a handwritten letter and send it directly to the judge, telling the judge that they do not want their students' information included in any information that's released.
Parent objections must be submitted to the court by April 1st. Now, these objection forms can be found and accessed by going to the State Department of Education website. Now, it's very important to note that the student information will not be made public. Instead, it will only be seen by consultants and attorneys for the plaintiffs. Also worth noting, it will be destroyed and or returned once it's fully analyzed. Reporting live in Santa Maria, Dave Alley, KCOY 12, Central Coast News.
Thank you, Dave.